So we got the window in a couple weeks ago. And then actually we don't like this color. It was all brown. So I started sanding it, which I opened a can of worms. So he was thinking just take this off and keep that, but I want it all gone. I don't like that dark. But it's taking a while. I ordered some nail files because I have to do this by hand so I don't ruin the edges. So, yeah. It's going to look much better though. After we get some varnish on it. I'm almost done with this square. I have a couple other ones I started over there. But probably at least another week. Files are supposed to be here tomorrow. So, my work cut out for me.